Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Should be getting a bit more than that today. Exchange rate. It's 180 plus. Hopefully that'll be good. Now we'll walk down now. Down past the indoor market. See how far we go. Yeah, Benidorm's getting a lot busier now. Easter, obviously. Couldn't walk up here earlier. We were really struggling. Let's see how packed it was. Go over to Marcus' channel. And no crazy Marcus. How much his video? He did up here earlier. Absolutely packed. There's the indoor market. Did open or not today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is open today. Surprised, I would have thought they'd been shut today. They carry on down anyway. Good Friday when we're recording this. It'll be Good Friday for the bars. Before I forget, shout out to Mary from Chesterfield. Oh, we're in here, aren't we, guys? Yeah, Mary from Chesterfield. And the lads we had a drink with earlier. Great to see you guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your holiday while you're over here. Yeah, we have to put up with this all the time. Sure you'll be back soon as well. Come over for 10 days this time. They usually come for a month, apparently. Work together. Yeah. No, it's going to be a bit of a short stay for them this time. At least they made it this time. They're trying to get over at Christmas and got cancelled. Been lovely to meet you. Okay, we're going on our favourite spot. We always get loads of views on this one. Now, Mariano's just down here. There was a queue right at the door. Near enough up to this plant pot here. We came down. Very popular place this year. Guys.
Alright guys.
Alright.
How you doing? Oh, not bad, not bad.
Okay guys, yeah. There's Mariana's. I was just saying the tires then.
No, further down that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that was absolutely heaving earlier. Dinner time. Got a bit of football on down here now. That's rugby actually. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, rugby. we go, guys. The busiest bars in Benidorm. A lot of the bars are busy now.
Hello.
These are the guys that bought us a beer earlier. There we go. You alright, guys?
Hola.
Yeah. Get on the camera, eh? Get around. Go for it. Get a beer up then. Come on, guys.
Alright then.
Be lazy.
Here in a minute.
See you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Mellowing in the sun there. Okay, guys, we're going to go down a little bit further. I thought we'd been finished by now, but no. Benidorm's not looking so busy as earlier. No. Actually, evening down here. I think a lot of people would have gone back. It's been a warm day. Not brilliant sun, but yeah, a warm day nevertheless. So Pelicanos, of course. Look, see if there's anybody in the pool, eh?
Aren't people into pool?
Yeah, loads in the pool now. Brilliant. Oh, one they use on the show, Marcus.
No.
I knew he was going to say that. It's one round the back they use, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So Pelicanos there. Heard a couple of bad things about it. I've heard some good things about it as well. Let me know if you stop there what it's like. What was your opinion of it? Okay, we'll just swing round now.
Are you filming for YouTube?
Yeah.
What channel is it?
Yeah, we're going to end the video there.
Don't
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.